Hello everyone, I'm Will Harmon, attorney, CPA, IRS enrolled agent with Harmon Tax Resolution. I hope everyone's doing well. This video is to provide helpful information if you're dealing with a tax resolution issue and you need help deciding which type of professional would best represent your needs. Now, the IRS allows for 3 different types of professionals to represent in front of them. One is an attorney, the other is a CPA, and finally, an enrolled agent. Now, since this video is tied to a blog that I've written that compares attorneys to CPAs, there won't be much discussion regarding enrolled agents. My basis for information comes from my own education, training, and experience from being an attorney and a CPA. Now, the blog provides much more detailed information regarding the education and training requirements, which establishes the functionality for each type that I'm about to discuss. So what are the differences and how will they impact my decision? Well, for starters, let's talk about a CPA. A CPA has a background in tax return preparation, audit, financial schedule creation, financial statement creation. Anything that has to do with business acumen, a CPA generally is a strong bet to have a good background in it. Now, how does that relate to what the IRS is looking for? Well, what if you have unfiled returns, or the IRS has done a substitute for return, or the IRS has done an assessment, or they're about to do an audit? Having a CPA there may be your best bet in that case. And one thing about CPAs is they're dedicated auditors. Every CPA had to have passed the audited section on the CPA exam. Therefore, they have a background in it, whereas an attorney and an enrolled agent don't. You never hear of attorneys or enrolled agents being hired to do audit work, and for one of the reasons is only a CPA has attestation rights for financial audits. So let's talk about lawyers. Lawyers are experts at researching tax law, case law, setting precedent, applying the correct application to your situation. Lawyers are trained to see both sides of the argument, therefore they can advocate, because if they know what the opposition is trying to do, they naturally can come up with a better argument for you. Lawyers know their way around the court systems. You know, when I was a CPA, I didn't want to step foot near a court, but as an attorney, I'm comfortable with it. Another thing about a lawyer is that you get privileged communications. If you're dealing with a situation that could be dicey, something you're not comfortable discussing with, you wouldn't want to have any fear of recrimination, have an attorney will alleviate that fear. An enrolled agent or a CPA do not have the privileged communications that an attorney has. Lawyers are also trained to navigate the court systems properly, whether it's tax court or district court. So in summary, if you have a case that involves the need for privileged communication, that involves the need to research a legal precedent and apply it to your situation, produce a compelling argument, then a lawyer is your best bet in that situation. So when you have to decide either to choose a CPA or a tax attorney to resolve your IRS tax issue, please make sure that you've gone over your case thoroughly with either of those types of professionals to make sure that you've got proper coverage. Now, what you can do, of course, is hire a duly licensed tax attorney. Therefore, you're covered in all areas. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 772-418-0949 or leave a comment in the contact section on our website, www.harmonassociates.net. Thank you for watching this video, and I wish you well with your tax resolution issue.